Hi, I'm Sigal Reese, Director of the Norwood Health Department. And I'm here to speak about our new recycling calendars, which are mailed out to residents. Hopefully you all got a calendar in an envelope like this. We had a great idea, along with the Public Works Department, to redo the calendar this year. First of all, we made it a year-long calendar from January to December. We included all the recycling routes, so if you're a red or a yellow route, you know what week your recycling is going to be picked up. Made sure to include all the holidays, and of course our recycling and hazardous waste days are noted here also. Because of the additional hours at the Winter Street composting facility, we were able to note that on the calendar also. In addition to revamping the whole calendar, we made it on a magnet, thinking that this would be a great idea for people to keep it on their refrigerator so they would know when the recycling week was. We made it smaller size, but if you do want a bigger one, it is available on our website, norwoodma.gov. It's on the scroll on top. It'll be up there for a few months. But throughout the year, you'll be able to find it on the Health Department website and also on the recycling page. So again, this is a great partnership between the Health Department and the Public Works Department. We work closely together on projects like this and on Hazardous Waste Day and Recycling Day. But so if you need extra calendars, we do have some spare ones at Town Hall, but again, it's available on our website where you can print it off.